In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a company salary on Glassdoor. Pay Details 2026. Sharing your pay details on Glassdoor helps other job seekers understand the market and negotiate fairly, and your submission stays anonymous. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Glassdoor and offer a few quick tips so your entry is accurate and useful. First, open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Glassdoor account. If you came here just to browse roles, you can jump straight to the Jobs tab at the top, but today we're focusing on contributing salary information. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Reviews and Contributions. This is where Glassdoor keeps everything you've shared about employers, including salaries. On the Reviews and Contributions page, locate the Salary section. Then, click Add a Review. You'll first be asked for a few details that anchor your salary to the correct role. The employer name, your job title, and your location. Enter these as accurately as possible so others can compare apples to apples. When you're done, click Next. You'll now see the Share Pay Details screen. Start with your base pay and choose the pay period that matches how you're paid. Per year, per hour, or per month. If you're paid hourly, it's perfectly fine to submit it as hourly. No need to convert unless you prefer to. Use your gross pay before taxes, and if your pay varies, enter what's typical for the role. Glassdoor will then guide you through additional prompts, like bonuses, commissions, stock, or other recurring pay. Add these only if they apply, and try to use amounts you consistently received rather than one-time spikes. If you're unsure, a reasonable estimate is better than leaving it blank, but avoid guessing wildly. Keep entries clean by rounding to the nearest whole number. Before you finish, you'll see a summary of what you entered. Take a moment to double-check titles, location, pay period, and amounts. Avoid including any personally identifying information or internal codes. Your submission should be about the role and compensation only. Glassdoor keeps your identity private, and your post may go through a brief moderation period. When everything looks good, click Submit Review. That's it. Your contribution helps thousands of people make informed career decisions, and you can always return to the same Reviews and Contributions area later to add more roles or update your information as your compensation changes. Thanks for doing your part to build pay transparency.